The star map is glowing! There's a signal from the Candy Constellation.
Sounds sweet, doesn't it?
Then let's go explore.
Cordelet's locked. Ready for takeoff.
Let's fly.
Candy Constellation, here we come!
Sweet energy, critically low.
What happened? The sugar crystals, they've been taken! Don't worry, we'll help. Looks.
A bit scary.
Just climb up and you'll find the way out.
Found it! The exit is to the right! Hurry before it changes shape!
Uh-oh. I'm stuck in Taffy.
Try talking to it. Please, let our friend go?
It really let go. I took the crystals because no one likes sour flavors.
Sour and sweet go so well together.
Really? My, it's delicious.
Because we understand each other.
I'm sorry for being selfish. We've made up now.
Now then, let's work together to save this place!
I'm ready.
There are so many candy wrappers.
Collecting and recycling them will be fine. Melt and then mold?
Yes, that's how it becomes candy bricks. Lower it a bit on the left.
Got it! Perfect fit!
The bridge is stable and safe now.
Wonderful, thanks to you all. Heavy, but I can manage.
Ready. Hold steady.
If we don't stop it, it'll all melt away. Get ready to help.
The cold wind is coming in.
Increase it a bit more.
The wind direction is perfect.
Hold it for a few more seconds. If it tilts more, it will break its orbit. Let's do it quickly.
These sour candies will hold the gravity.
Great, keep going.
One more layer and it'll be stable.
I'll support the heavy side.
Almost balanced. Hold it steady.
Trying my best.
Completely stable.
Wonderful!
We did it!
It was all thanks to teamwork. The energy is coming back.
It's beautiful, just like candy fireworks.
It hasn't fully recovered here yet.
We just need to reinforce it. This glue will hold it stable.
I'll help compress the force.
It's fixed now!
Red 10, that's awesome!
It looks stable now. Let's keep going. Huh, why is it so soft?
The temperature here isn't balanced yet.
This spot needs to be hardened.
I have sour powder that helps it solidify quickly.
All indicators are recovering well.
We're really fast, aren't we?
Now it's perfect adjustment. This tree is about to break.
Reinforce it immediately. Holding it tight now.
I'll pour the sour glue layer.
Welding done in a few seconds.
Let me lift it a bit.
Looks as good as new!
Indeed. Excellent teamwork.
Thank you for saving the forest!
They're so cute. Almost done.
The whole region is coming back to life. This area is bright now.
Great job, truly.
There's a hot spot at the bottom of the lake.
I'll handle it.
I'm placing the cooling layer here.
Good. I will reduce the vortex. It's a vortex.
It's completely stable.
Absolutely wonderful. If it tilts more, it will collapse. Let's fix it! Hold this part tightly for me. All right, I'm holding it tight.
The heat is reduced now.
Perfect! Keep going! Now it's standing firm.
Absolutely perfect! It's lost its color. It needs sugar energy recharged.
Let's bring the color back to life. It looks so beautiful.
The color is stable.
The Candy Constellation is vibrant again.
Just a little more pull will do it. I'm pumping sugar in here.
Okay, just maintain this level.
I'll lock the force.
Another place is complete!
Are there any other areas?
Yeah, that's the final spot.
Let's go, almost done. Almost there.
The path is so beautiful. The door is locked due to sugar imbalance. Let's help the tower restore its sweetness.
Sour candies reactivate the source.
Right, the level is increasing fast.
Wow, it's as beautiful as a castle.
Let's go inside.
These 3 crystals haven't recovered yet.
We need to rebalance the flavors.
Hey, wake up! Ting!
It's as light as cotton.
It's stable now. Next one. It's patched up right away.
Let me add balancing sourness.
Spin faster.
It's getting stronger. Let's do it together.
1, 2, 3.
Completely recovered.
Well done, everyone.
Well done, everyone.
So dazzling. But it's so beautiful. The Candy Constellation is completely stable. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you, everyone.
I am very sorry, everyone. Teamwork truly is the best candy.
And And the sweetest, too.
It looks like a candy paradise.
And we saved it.
What did I open?
Let's go check it out.
Break it out! This is ancient data, extremely valuable.
I've never seen it before. This spot isn't lit yet.
It's still missing some sweet energy.
It's a bit cold here. Watch out!
The sugar has crystallized at high altitude.
Sour candy can soften it.
The reaction is running. That's right. Keep going.
It's getting soft again.
Data is stabilizing. The caramel is locked solid.
Let me lift it. Regulating melting.
I'll hold the force on both sides.
It's so beautiful.
Pleasing to the eye.
It's freezing cold.
The temperature is excessively low. Let's warm it up slowly.
I'm keeping the wind steady.
Temperature is perfectly stable.
Great, this area is alive again.
Now it's truly complete.
The Candy Constellation is revived.
It was hard work, but so much fun.
Adventures are the best. The tower reports an anomaly remaining.
Let's go check it right away.
The wind is so strong it almost pulls me away.
Hold on tight to me.
A crack due to excess energy.
I can rebalance it.
Just reduce the level a little.
That's good. Keep going.
It's firm now.
Data is stable. This constellation is so cute. It's constantly regenerating. The wind is in the wrong direction.
Let me adjust the wind. Good. The trees are stable now.
It's like a massage.
Whoa! It's shaking so much!
Its gravitational stability is lost.
We need more force from below.
I'll lift it a bit.
Stabilizing. Hold steady.
I'll lock the force.
It looks just like a mini moon.
So cute, I could melt. Pressure is rising. We have to release some. Done! So easy.
Luckily, it didn't explode.
Pressure is just a little bit left.
Let me handle this quickly.
It deflates gently like a cotton pillow.
So cute.
This hill is a bit too soft.
Need to stabilize the candy ground.
It's thickened now.
Now it's harder.
Now it's harder. Lost balance on the left axis.
I'll try to lift it.
A little higher.
Got it.
Completely stable.
This house has come back to life. Why are they so bent?
Probably lacking lifting force.
Lift the base slowly.
I'll hold the heavy parts. As beautiful as fireworks!
Another success.
Still lacking consistency.
Holding it steady. The air pockets have deflated.
Perfectly precise.
This lake is so beautiful.
More wind on this side.
I'll hold the base of the wall.
Beautiful and balanced.
This area is complete. Temperature is a bit
High.
I'll cool it down quickly. This spot has cooled down.
The caramel color has beautifully restored.
Oh, another secret cave. Be careful.
This one is weak.
Fix it immediately. Mend it. Now it's sturdy.
So beautiful, it makes me faint.
So sparkly.
Spinning too fast. The wind is off course.
It's better now. The wind is balanced.
Like candy snow.
So beautiful.
Leaning 3 degrees to the left. Fix it quickly.
Holding this side.
The cream is thickening.
It's super stiff. Completely stable.
Who made this mark?
Could be due to excess pressure. Elasticity increased.
Lift both sides evenly.
Smooth like marshmallow candy.
Absolutely perfect.
Wind pressure caused these roofs to sag. Fix it quickly for the residents.
Holding it steady. Harden up.
Flexible yet hard. So beautiful. Completely stable.
2 degrees to the right.
Adjust it quickly.
Hold it like that. Adjusting now.
Tower is perfectly balanced.
Next one. The road is soft like marshmallow.
Have to pump back its hardness.
Lowering the temperature, stable now.
I'll lock the syrup flow.
No more slipping!
Beautiful and sturdy.
Missing the central sweet source. Let me reactivate it. Come on, light up!
I'll add a little sourness for balance.
So incredibly beautiful.
Energy fully restored.
Thank you for saving the Candy Constellation!
Thank you for trusting me. So beautiful, like a dream.
That is the reward from kindness. See you again, Candy Constellation!
I will forever remember this lesson.